Hey guys, Samsung has just launched the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, but rumors about the future Galaxy S10 have already begun. A new leak from Korean media suggested that Samsung Galaxy S10 is coming soon. The leak, which claims the S10 will have some design changes like more advanced display and more thinner bezels compared to its previous variants. According to leak by Korean website The Buzz, Samsung has made the Galaxy S10 design and the new phones will be slightly larger compared to the current Galaxy S9. The leak also claimed that Galaxy S10 will have a 0.03-inch larger display and the Galaxy S10 Plus will get a 0.08-inch larger display than the ones on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus respectively. Additionally, the Galaxy S10 series might arrive in the market with an under-display fingerprint sensor considering current market trends. The leak also reveals that the fingerprint sensing technology for Samsung's upcoming flagship handset is being developed by Qualcomm and Snapdragon in the US and Aegis Tech in Taiwan. Samsung Galaxy S10 is also set to introduce certain 3D sensing features in the front, rear, or both camera modules which were present in iPhone X as well. The field sensor is reportedly under production in partnership with its Royal Camera solution from Mantis Vision as well as Korean camera module maker Woodgate. However, Samsung has no plans to introduce notch feature in and any other groundbreaking innovation this time. A recent report has revealed that the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus could be fueled by a 7nm process Exynos 9820 chipset. The 7nm process Snapdragon 855 powered Galaxy S10 could be aimed towards markets like the US, Canada, Mexico, and China, and the rest of the world may receive their Exynos 9820 variants. The production of the Infinite display for the Galaxy S10 is expected to begin by November this year. Since Samsung is known for announcing its Galaxy S series of phones around the MWC, it is likely that the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus may get unveiled around MWC 2019 in February next year. So now let me know what you guys think about this 10th anniversary Galaxy S10. And if you guys want to know more information about Galaxy S10, so please subscribe this channel because I will give you more information as soon as possible. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, see you soon.